In this video, I will show you to use TeamGantt. With TeamGantt, you can plan and execute work like never before. You can create a plan in no time and get your team working on the task to complete the plan, all while sharing documents and chatting about the task right here in TeamGantt. Let's get started. Click the Add Task button to name and schedule your first task. You can also organize tasks into groups. Click the Add Group of the Task button to create a new group, then add your new task to that group. Once you have created your task, you can assign to people or resources. In a Gantt chart, dependencies are used to make sure your tasks are done in the correct order. Dependencies become more important as your project gets larger and you need to reschedule a lot of tasks and keep everything in the right order. We have worked hard to make dependencies in TeamGantt easy to use and understand. To add dependency, simply hover over a task, click on the dot next to the taskbar, and drag the dependency line to the task that you would like to link it into. If you need to delete a dependency, you can simply double-click on the taskbar to open the task detail window. Go to the dependency section and delete any dependencies that are linked to the task. Now you see that there are no dependencies from this task. One of the things that make TeamGantt such a powerful tool is its ability to house all of your project data in one central and secure location. Files, communication with your teams, and more can be attached to your project or even specific tasks within a project. This makes accessing that you need when you need it super simple. You could double-click on a taskbar to open the task detail window and upload your file there. TeamGantt also offers the ability to keep all of your project and task-related communication in one place through the use of comment and sticky notes. Each project and task gets a simple sticky note that can be used for general high-level notes. Sticky notes can be accessed by clicking the comment bubble next to the project or task name, or by double-clicking a taskbar in a Gantt chart to open the task detail window. You can use comments to keep relevant task or project-related communication in one place and accessible by the people who need it. The comment section is also a great place to share links to Google Documents or documents shared with services like Dropbox. When you enter a comment, you have the option to send an email notification to anyone who has been invited to your project. If you add a comment to a task that has a person assigned, they are automatically sent an email notification. There are a few great options for configuring how you see and use TeamGantt. Found under the View drop-down, you can use virtually any combination of these options to customize the display of your projects. You can choose to display task name in the taskbar or next to it. You can show resources next to taskbar if you like. If you even show the assigned resources hour. Depending on the length of your project timeline and the level of detail you need to see, you can use the zoom feature located under the view or zoom drop-down menu to see your project in varying level of day or week view. We also have a number of date format options depending on where you are in the world. You can even change the text size to match your preference, as well as hide columns that you may not need to see right now, such as estimated hour, people assigned, and percent complete. Another great view option is the list view. List view is a great way to focus your attention on the tasks at hand and work through them quickly and efficiently. When you have projects that span long periods of time, have hundreds of individual tasks, or have many users, it's important to be able to drill down into certain segments of your project, whether it be by people or resources, dates, completion status, or even task color. TeamGantt filter can help you look at specific sections of your project at a time. We have broken filter into three sections: people, dates, and colors. In the people section, you can choose to show only tasks which have a specific person or resource assigned. You can check as many people or resources as you want. When you have selected the appropriate people, only their tasks will be shown in the Gantt chart, and the filter bar will update to tell you how many tasks are hidden from view and give you the option to clear your selected filters. In the date section, you can select a number of options. Keep in mind that filters stack, meaning if you have a person or resources selected in the people section and then you choose the date filter of in progress, the chart will update to show all tasks that are assigned to that person are in progress. If you have multiple people or resources selected, they will be included as well. Next is task color section. If you use different task color for different type of tasks or for task urgency, you can leverage filter to focus on specific task color. Finally, there's an option to hide completed. This text box hides all tasks that are marked as 100% complete as well as any milestone that are checked off. If you have a process you use over and over again or find yourself consistently duplicating the same project to use as a starting point, templates could really help. Templates are great for when many of your projects have similar key elements but need minor changes. Creating a template can save you a lot of time, and you can have as many as you like. A template project can be used multiple times, so you don't have to start your project from scratch each time. To make a template, just open the project you want to use as the template and go to menu, then save as template. Next time you create a project, you will be able to use your new template. In the sidebar, click the plus sign next to the active project heading and create a project. Give your project a name and select the template you like to use. Set a start date and choose whether you like to import existing notes and comments from the template. Click Save New Project, then invite people to your project and you are all set.